I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start the claim immediately by confirming your policy details and deductible so you know what to expect financially. Once done, collect proof: the receipt, the IMEI or serial number, clear photos of the damage, and any theft or loss reports. Make sure to record the exact incident date and location and get a police file number if applicable. Call or log into your insurer's portal now. This first action triggers timelines and preserves your right to coverage. Next, you complete the insurer's claim form with precise contact details and a short, factual incident narrative explaining what happened and when. Then upload high-resolution photos, the IMEI, purchase receipt, any police report, and a repair estimate or quote. These documents speed approval. Make sure to indicate whether you prefer repair, replacement, or a cash settlement within the policy options. Keep copies and note the claim number and adjuster name for follow-up. Finally, you review the settlement offer and approve the estimate or accept the payout, then promptly schedule repairs or the replacement shipment so you aren't left without a phone. Once done, monitor the claim status online and reply quickly to any insurer requests. Meeting deadlines keeps the process moving. If your claim is denied, ask for the denial in writing, note the reasons, and file an internal appeal. If unresolved, escalate to your provincial insurance ombudsman or regulator as the next step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.